Hi, this is Mr. Miller, and in this video, I'm going to go through an example of a restaurant problem. This is a situation that can easily happen when you go out with a group of friends to eat. We're going to model the situation with an equation and then use our skills to solve it. Here we go. So one big example. This is a crazy one with a lot of different things going on. A group of friends has $60 to spend on lunch. They ordered 2 grilled chicken sandwiches for $8.75 each, 1 hamburger for $7.50, 2 hot dogs for $4.35 each, and some orders of fries for $3.50 each. If tax is 8.5% and they leave a 15% tip, how many orders of fries could they get? Wow, there's a lot going on here. But we're going to start by writing an equation. And actually, on the City College exam, you have to write the equation. They don't want just an answer to this problem. They want to see an equation for you to show your work solving it. So we're going to start by kind of computing the bill. We're going to add up the food items and then add the tax and the tip. So here go the food items. So first we have 2 grilled chicken sandwiches. So I'm going to write 2 times 8.75 plus we have a hamburger for $7.50 plus 2 hot dogs, that's 4.35, plus it says some orders of fries. We don't know how many. That's where the variable comes in. So we're going to write 3.50 times x. X is how many orders of fries they order, and they're $3.50 each. So 3.50 times x is how much the fries cost. All right, so, well, they have to pay tax, which is 8.5%. So all of this is going to get multiplied by 1.085. So 1 plus 0.085. That increases it by 8.5%. And on top of that, they're going to leave 15% of this as a tip. So that's going to increase it another 15%. So we're going to multiply by a 1.15 up front. So that multiplier would increase it by 15%. So this finally is the cost of all the food with the tax added and a tip added. And this is supposed to equal $60. That's the crazy equation they want us to write. But it's not so bad. Just think about adding up the bill, then multiplying by something for tax, and if they leave a tip, multiplying by something like that. Now, we have to simplify this before we're solving it. So what I suggest would be to kind of combine these. This is just one big number there. So when we do that, we get this. So we still have the 1.15 in front. We have the 1.085. And then inside the brackets, the part I underlined is equal to $33.70 plus 3.50x equals 60. Now, still complicated. Our first instinct would be to distribute by these guys, but I think it's easier to divide. We're going to divide both sides by 1.15 and 1.085. So when we divide the left sides by those, we get 33.70 plus 3.50x equals, we got to do 60 divided by 1.15 and divide that by 1.085, and we get 48.09. Okay, so we divided everything by those. All right, now finally, this is starting to look reasonable. We can subtract 33.70 from both sides. We get 3.50x equals 14.39. And finally, we can divide by 3.50x, and we get x just by 3.50, we get x equals 4.11. Wow, this is the craziest thing we're going to do all year. Now, that's not the final answer. It says, how many orders of fries could they get? Well, you can't get 4.11 orders of fries. That means the most they can get is 4 orders. So that's our final answer, 4 orders of fries. All right, so you've seen it in the video, hopefully practicing in class. Once you do a couple problems like these, it'll be straightforward. You'll be fine.